Never max out a credit card. If you already have a maxed out card, it's time to cut it up and destroy your debt.
Credit mistake number 7, maxing out the card. To keep your score climbing, you should never surpass 30% of your credit limit. This goes back to the credit utilization ratio we discussed before. I teach to never carry a balance at all and to pay off any purchases immediately with a simple transfer from your checking account. Doing this method will help you never carry a balance again, and you won't have to worry about this mistake. The problem is, people max out the card through bad financial habits, spending money they don't have and more than their income. So these maximum balances become much harder to pay off, allowing the credit card companies to charge you insane amounts of interest. They are like spiders, just patiently waiting for you to get caught in the web so they can suck you dry for as long as possible. I'm clearly trying to relate credit card companies to as many blood-sucking things as possible. Vampires are probably next. Earlier, I described just how easy it is to rapidly max out a credit card without even really thinking about it. This happens to too many good people all of the time. It happened to my mom to the tune of tens of thousands of dollars, creating a very difficult, stressful time in our lives. We got through that time by working together, sheer force of will, but most importantly, financial education. I read literally everything I could on personal finance because I hated seeing my mom upset. I hated it. So my motivation to learn about this topic came out of necessity. So many others don't even get a fraction of the financial education I have simply because it isn't in school, and this topic isn't something that is just innately learned. You don't just start knowing how to budget and invest the same way you learn to walk. You have to find knowledgeable coaches like myself and the team here at My Debtication, reputable personal finance books written by licensed experts, and free courses that teach you the basics without charging you some useless guru seminar fee. If you smell bullshit, chances are you're right. Just find a better resource. I'm trying to create a truly robust personal finance education book, web series, and coaching practice that actually teaches you the how-to on every topic I mention. I don't think it is good enough to just say go and do these things. A true teacher explains the why and the how behind every concept, and I promise to do just that. When you find yourself with a maxed out credit card, it is time to dive into this series and destroy your debt. Use the debt snowball method in conjunction with our previous brick-by-brick budgeting exercises, and you will be well on your way to living debt-free and setting yourself up for a truly financially free life. To me, that means owing nothing to anyone and having enough invested to provide a calm and joyful life with the ones you love. It sounds simple, but millions of people make it so much harder on themselves because of debt and bad financial habits. The daily dedication method will teach you exactly how to avoid these common mistakes. And if you have already made these mistakes, how to get out and to succeed.